This video is going to describe how to import text from a Word document into a PowerPoint presentation. If you want to do this, I would recommend you create an outline in Word. And when you create this outline in Word, make sure you know how to format the text properly. If you format a line of text in Word using the heading 1 style, when you import that into a PowerPoint presentation, it becomes the title. If you format the text in your Word document as a heading 2 style, that text will automatically be imported as the main text within your slide. So let's see how this is done. I'm going to click on slide number 2, and I want to import new slides right after this from a Word outline that I've created. So we're going to click New Slides, and down here on the bottom you have an option Slide from Outline. If we select that, we need to now go locate the outline that I have, and it's called Spa Product Online, and I click Insert. I immediately get several slides, and as you can see, if I go to slide 3 here, my title, text in the title, that was formatted to a heading 1 style, where my text that was formatted to a heading 2 style becomes the basic content of a slide. So it's very important to know how to format your text in Word when you're planning to import it into PowerPoint. Now, a lot of times you just want to take a look at just the text in your document and not all the pictures and every graphics that you have. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to look at Outline View. So if I click View and Outline View, notice on my left-hand side, it's just simply an outline of every slide. There are absolutely no pictures. So at any time, if I want to now just add some text, I'm just going to add the word cosmetic here. It automatically is put on the slide, but you don't see any of the pictures or anything fancy. So that's using Outline View. I'll switch back to Normal View. Now, we can use the cut, copy, and paste just as we do with any other Office Suite product. I'm going to maneuver down to slide 3, and we have, I'm going to copy the 4th bullet here. So I'm just going to take this and copy it. You can use Control-C, or you can right-click on it and copy, or you can go to the Home ribbon and click Copy. That text is now placed in Windows Clipboard. So now we want to paste it wherever we want to paste. So I now want to go ahead, and I'm just going to hit Enter at the end of this. And I'm going to click Paste. And that copies that text. I'm now going to just change the word from Manny, to Petty, and you can see that we just copied and paste. Cut and paste works the same way. Let's say I want to change, let's go down to slide 6, and I want to change the order of these this bulleted list. So I'm just going to take my 4th text bullet list, and I'm going to cut it, and I want to put it as the 2nd bullet list. So I'm just going to click in front of the 2nd bullet list and paste, and it instantly moves that up 1. Lastly, excuse me, I want to, well, we can change the bullets themselves. So if I just select these text here, you can open up your bulleted gallery, and let's say I want to put the check mark instead of the dot. If I want to put something in a particular order, I can add a numbered list. So let's say we want to go down to slide 7, and instead of a bulleted list, we're going to identify those as a numbered list. If we click the drop down arrow, you can see we can number it, we can alphabetize it. I'm just going to go ahead and use this style numbering. And lastly, if you want to emphasize a point on your chart, you can always add word art. So let's go down to slide 11, and we're just going to go ahead and insert a word art picture. So if we go up to our insert ribbon, we have our word art over here. And I'm going to really emphasize this. I'm going to make it gold, the gold accent 4. And you add your text, and we can just say, call us now. And now we can just take this and move it down, drag it down. So that's a word art, and that's how to insert text from an outline, cut, copy, paste, change your bulleted list, numbered list, and add word art.